Christmas came early, guys. Hey guys, David with Side of Tech here, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. So today we have a very special video, and today we're going to be covering a brand new desk chair that I just got, and it's the Herman Miller Aeron gaming desk chair. It does retail for $1,545, not a cheap product, but we're going to see, is this chair worth the price? So we're going to go ahead and unbox the chair, and then later on in the video I'm going to go ahead and give you my thoughts and review the chair. So if all that sounds good, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I really want to earn your subscription today. And if you're interested in any more everyday tech items, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'll have everything listed down in the description below. And without any further delay, let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's get a little unboxing knife. So looks like we start here on this side. And while I'm kind of cutting this tape, let me tell you what configuration I got. I got the size B, which is basically a medium size, and I got the standard height adjustment. So just for reference, I'm around 5'10", 5'9", around 200 pounds, so use that as your reference point for picking out your own size. Most people will be going with the standard size or the size B. All right, so I can't wait anymore. Let's do that. All right, not the most graceful unboxing I've ever done. What is this? Oh, okay. Oh, this is just the cover. Oh man, here we go. And it looks like it already comes assembled. That works out for me. I don't have to put anything together. Let me get this box out of the way and let's go ahead and talk more about it. Let's unwrap it. Looks like it's just plastic and a little bit of foam. Oh, wow. Okay, this is pretty nice. Looks a lot shorter, but I'm pretty sure we can adjust all the height and everything. Man, I kind of don't even want to sit down. It's so fresh and new. Let's take our first seat. Wow. All right. Man, this thing is so comfortable. Let's raise the height. There's like a little lever on the side here. There you go. Oh yeah. Okay, this thing was a lot more comfortable than I thought it was gonna be, but this is just mesh. But yeah, I feel like I won't even miss the foam. This is my Secret Lab Titan. I really do like this chair. I really do like the pillow, and this specific model comes with lumbar support too. And it's really easily adjustable with like a knob. But yeah, like the leather it really turned me off after a certain amount of time. And I noticed when I started sitting in this for a lot longer, because I do video edit and I do a lot of kind of like work from home type of stuff with this chair. This chair is a lot bigger and you can do a whole bunch of seating arrangements, but in the long run, it's not really good for you. So again, this is why I invested into the Herman Miller chair. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start covering the key features of the chair. So the gaming edition features an exclusive all black colorway, which looks really amazing with any kind of gaming or desk setup. The PostureFit SL technology is Herman Miller's proprietary lumbar support. The tension of the support is fully adjustable via a crank on the back of the chair. And I love that you can just adjust it without even getting up. And with this lumbar support system,
it really does cradle and support your back. Another super customizable feature of the chair is the tilt mechanism. You can change the tension to lean all the way back. You can add more resistance so you don't lean back as much. And lastly, you have a tilt knob that lets you lean forward whenever you're getting into a really intense gaming session or you really want to concentrate on your work. One of the chair's claim to fame is the breathable mesh that sits underneath you. It's Herman Miller's own 8Z pellicle fabric mesh. This is the key feature that won me over and will help me pick this chair over Herman Miller's other gaming chair, the M-Body. The last of the customizability can be found in the fully adjustable arms. You can adjust the depth, the movement left to right, and also a lever that controls the up and down motion. So you can really dial in something that really works for you. Alright guys, so on to the review section of the video. Who do I recommend this chair to? So I'm recommending this chair to anyone who's looking for the ultimate working desk chair. Whether that's working from home and you need to get something done for your job, whether that's content creation or any type of workflow like that. But although that this chair has gaming in its name, I really don't think that it's just suited mainly for gaming. This is a really great all-around working task chair. So like I said in the beginning of the video, this chair is $1,545 without any kind of discounts or sales or anything like that. But the overall value and the overall features of the chair really help justify that high price tag. And for that reason, I'm gonna go ahead and give this section of the review a 4. And I consider it a great investment because you're investing into the overall health of your body and your back. You only get one back. And then on to the next review point, which is, do the pros outweigh the cons? And I would say absolutely they do. The only few gripes that I have with the chair are the overall seating positions, because there's mainly only one seating position this chair has, but the chair does it extremely well. And not to mention the high customizability of this chair really makes it so you can tailor it to your own needs. But in this case, I feel like the overall pros do outweigh the cons. So I'll go ahead and give this section a 4 again. And now on to the last review point, which is the overall handling of the chair. And I truly believe that this part of the chair is just amazing. The way you can customize basically every single ergonomical part of the chair that you would want to is just top notch. And then Herman Miller does such a great job. And this is why this desk chair has been super popular amongst 20 plus years of them creating this. So the handling is butter, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this a perfect 5 out of 5. So my score for this chair is gonna be a very enthusiastic 4.5 out of 5. I love this chair. Even though I spent a high price tag for this chair, I don't regret it. Every single time I sit in this thing, it's a pleasure to sit in, and Herman Miller's warranty is so good. They're gonna cover it. I believe it's a 10 to 12 year warranty. They stand behind their product, so there's no doubt that they won't be able to help you guys if something goes wrong with yours. Thanks again, Herman Miller, for making this chair and making my back feel so much more better at my desk. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I want to thank you so much for watching me throughout this whole entire year. I do plan on dropping one more video right before the end of the year, so you guys are going to get one more video out of me for 2021. But now guys, a super exciting time right now, and every single person who commented on my iPhone accessories video went ahead and got a chance to win a $100 Amazon gift card. So I have everything loaded up onto my little iPad here. So let's go ahead and pick the winner. All right, drum roll please. I mean, I don't have a drum roll, but I'm gonna insert a drum roll here. All right, so it looks like our winner is this person. And it's funny, so she went ahead and wrote that she wants some AirPods. Yolanda, I hope this helps you towards your purchase of a brand new AirPods. So thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway, and this was extremely fun. If you guys didn't get picked this year, don't worry, I'm gonna go ahead and run way more giveaways next year, not just at the Christmas time, but throughout the year. My next giveaway plan is when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys can please help me get there. I am so close. I need about 300 subscribers. So thank you guys again. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays from me. This was David serving you a little side of tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.